In today's video, I'm going to teach you installing WordPress on GoDaddy hosting with one click in cPanel or Plesk. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. We'll walk through two common paths, depending on your hosting type. If your GoDaddy hosting uses cPanel, you'll install WordPress through Installatron. If you're on Windows hosting with Plesk, you'll use the Plesk Applications tool. Either way, the process is guided and quick, and I'll point out a few tips along the way to help you avoid common pitfalls. Let's start with cPanel hosting. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and head to your product page. Then find your web hosting account that uses cPanel. Choose Manage next to the hosting you want. In the account dashboard, look for the Websites section under the domain where you want WordPress. Select Install Application, which opens the Installatron Applications browser. In the Apps for Content Management area, choose WordPress Blog. Then click the option to install this application to begin. You'll see a configuration screen. Choose the domain you want to use. For the directory field, leave it blank if you want WordPress on your main domain so it loads at your root address. If you'd prefer it in a subdirectory, such as your domain.com/blog, type that folder name here. Pick the WordPress version you'd like. The latest stable version is usually best. Create your administrator username and a strong password, and add an email address you have access to, as this is where important notifications will go. Enter your site title and tagline so your homepage has the right identity from the start. When everything looks good, select Install and let the tool complete the setup. Now, for Windows hosting with Plesk. Sign into your GoDaddy account, go to your product page, and locate your Windows hosting plan. Choose Manage, then select Plesk Admin in your dashboard. Inside Plesk, open Applications from the left-hand menu. Under Feature Applications, find WordPress and click Install. Plesk will guide you through the same essentials. Confirm the domain, decide on a directory or leave it empty for the root, and set your administrator details. Follow the prompts and let Plesk finish the installation. When the installation completes, you'll receive a link to your new WordPress site and another link to the WordPress admin dashboard. Use the credentials you created to log in. From there, you can choose a theme, add plugins, and start building your pages and posts. If your site doesn't load immediately, give it a moment for changes to propagate, then refresh. That's it, your WordPress site on GoDaddy is ready to go. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.